Hey everyone, a quick update from the Cindy team. We just rolled out a major backend upgrade to the Gen AI engine that power our messages, comments, and connection requests. So what have changed? We swapped in better backend instances plus a smarter model logic. That means a better structure, more natural tone, and a smarter decision on when to engage. Now here I have created a flow for a particular campaign. For the in-mail, you will now see a better structure, strong opener, and a more contextually relevant follow-ups. Less generic and more okay, this person have actually read my profile kind of energy. So here I have put upon a prompt kind of thing for the purpose. And if I show you a generated message, see, it have created a kind of a repo build, and then it have asked about the company and what kind of services they are providing and how we can help. So it's kind of like that the AI went through the whole profile and created a post that is completely relevant to that particular person, right? Now moving forward on the comment on the post, now other comments have leveled up too. Cindy only comments on posts that make sense, right? Value driven shares, thought leaderships, insights from people in your target ICP, right? We now avoid hiring announcements, certificate posts, low effort thank yous, or grateful to updates. Okay, and the language way more casual and relevant. It won't feel like a robot dropped in with a line from 2016, right? And you can put upon your custom guideline for each post, as in like I have mentioned, to ask a follow-up question possibly. And if I show you a generated example, see the comment that is going on is quite relatable to the post, as well as it is adding a follow-up question as per the prompt that I have added. Yes, and if we go to the send message step, it actually sounds like your human wrote it. No fillers, no awkward phrasing, just better language across the board. So if you can see, you can of course set up the message length, the tone and all, and you can put the prompt for the message purpose as well. Like I have added this: hi, the first name of the person, the specific work they are working upon, right? And I have asked this to be written in Spanish. So let's say you're focusing people who are Spanish speaking, or some clients in that particular region. You can also ask the message that is going along with the connection request or the message, follow-up message, to be in that particular language. For example, I will show you generate an example. Here, as you can see, the whole message was written in the whole prompt that I put upon was in English, but I requested the message to be sent in Spanish. Thus, the message that would go would be completely in Spanish language. Okay, so this all is live now. Okay, no configuration needed. Just launch your next campaign and you will see the difference immediately. Let us know what you think, or feel free to book time with us if you want a walkthrough. Thank you.